Looking at the euro dollar here on the daily time frame, you can see that price has been moving up steadily, and we've been ranging around here for the past few weeks as the bulls and the bears are trying to figure out exactly what they want to do here at 1300. So given that this is a nice round number, and given where we are in the grand scheme of things, we're definitely up high. Okay. So the real question is price going to break this area or not? And that is yet to be determined. So I can see for this coming week that the euro will probably still continue to be a little bit more rangy, is what I'm thinking. Just between the low here at 111.17 all the way up to 1300. I could see us still ranging around here a little bit more. Now, if for some reason this previous low over here gets taken out at 111.06, now we're starting to encounter something of a different color, a horse of a different color, if you will. Okay, but until that happens, I'm thinking that we're just going to be ranging around in between these two areas. Moving over to the 60-minute time frame, again, you can just see how rangy this stuff truly is. We're back and forth, going over the same area quite a bit. We've held down here at 111.36 down to 111.09. This nice little chocolate zone down there. It looks like we're popping to the upside just a little bit. And again, I could see us coming up here to this aqua zone from 111.87 up to 112.13 this coming week pretty easily, and just kind of bouncing and roaming around in this whole range here yet again. So I'm thinking very much range bound for the up and coming week on the euro dollar. Looking at the euro pound here on the daily time frame, you can see that price is moving up steadily. We've had a new high over there. Now we've had a new high here in the past few days, and we're receiving a retest of this new high here at 86.66. So I think that this level could break, and we could easily see price moving up into the 90.06 area, that nice little chocolate zone up above us. So I think the trend is definitely up. If you can buy down here in this blue zone, that would be amazing. Okay, so if you can find price somewhere in this area here, and you can buy that, make sure price action is confirming this zone before you do so. As always, make sure that risk reward and all that kind of good stuff is in check and in play. But this could be a nice buying opportunity before we receive the retest of this chocolate zone up there. Now, the other option that could possibly happen is we could have a new high get broken here, and then a retest there, and then we go to the upside. Okay, so those are the kind of the two scenarios that I'm looking at here happening this week on the euro pound. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, you can see just really how consolidated and how tight this market has gotten here. Prices kind of bouncing back and forth, and really looks like we are stuck in a nice tight range. So what that tells me is that price is super duper coiled right now, and we are waiting for that expansion. Now, obviously, one of two things are going to happen. We are weak to the upside for sure. There's no doubt about that. We are in an uptrend. You have this chocolate zone, and then just above it another purple zone. Whereas down below we have nice fresh levels stair-stepping on top of each other. So definitely looking to the upside here, and really could easily see this chocolate zone get taken out here in a nice explosive move to the upside. So definitely looking up over this next week. The real question is, are we going to see that retracement back down low before we do? Based upon the 60-minute time frame, I'm thinking we're going to maybe see a retest to this aqua zone at 87.82 down to 87.71, and then pop the top up there at 88.66.